Shopping is one of my favorite things to do, especially on weekends when I get to go to the store for grocery shopping. I like shopping here because there are just lots of varieties. Sometimes it's almost even confusing to know what to take. And do you know that the price of foodstuff is really affordable? Great prices for foodstuff here in St. Catharines, Ontario, where I stay. Foodstuffs are really great. So even if you're a student or you work, I mean, getting food to eat will not be a problem because you can actually always afford food. So as a student, even as a student working 20 hours a week on a student job, you can actually get enough money for living expenses, rent, as well as food, because prices are really good. Sometimes you get great deals in the store like this one here. So that's why I want to encourage you, if you're one of those who want to come to Canada to become a permanent resident, as a student, there are lots of opportunities for you as a student to work 20 hours a week to make enough money to pay your rent as well as to pay for living expenses. Okay, now go get the No Hassle Naija to Canada JAPA system. It is the best system that will show you how to come to Canada to become a permanent resident using the study route. Wait no more, click the link below this video or somewhere around the video and grab that No Hassle Naija to Canada JAPA system. You're going to see my video that walks you through the process, and I wish you all the best. Bye.